Today let us learn the diagram of nephron, which many of you might feel as a difficult diagram. The first thing you have to know is all the labeling part. If you are familiar with the labeling, then we can draw the diagram very easily. So let us start with our diagram. So first, you will label the diagram as nephron. Okay, first the heading is given as nephron, followed by which we will start with the diagram. So first is the Bowman's capsule, which is a cup-shaped cavity like this. Okay, then we will start with the tubular portion, the PCT portion. Okay, and then we are drawing the loop of Henle like this. So extend the loop of Henle and then you draw the DCT portion and then the collecting tubule. Okay, so next what we will be doing is we will be just making double of this one. Okay, the loop of Henle is little bit broader on the top end, and when you come down, when it is descending, it will be narrower like this. Okay, again the ascending portion little bit broader you draw and then just complete this diagram like this. So we will draw the collecting tubule, the extensions like that you draw, okay, in between, and then just finish off the diagram like this. So you can just finish off the extensions of the collecting tubule like that. So this is how your diagram is easy and it is ready as such. Then coming to the main important portion in this, that is the glomerulus. Glomerulus is by the afferent arteriole and the efferent arteriole. The afferent arteriole diameter is little bit bigger, so you draw it little bit bigger and then draw the capillary network like this inside. Then you extend the efferent arteriole, the diameter of which should be little bit narrow compared to that of the afferent. Okay, so take one of the connection of this one and then bring it down like this and then just go outside like that. So this is the first thing what we will draw. Next, coming to the second line that is there here. So you just draw it like that and then bring it down. Just go through the tubular portion here and then come and then just draw it like this. Okay, so this finishes the peritubular capillary network region, whatever it is. Next we will be drawing the double line for whatever you have drawn, the extension. So you just give a double line here and then just conclude it here and then just get it down like that. Whatever the efferent arteriole you have drawn, just make it double throughout. Okay, so that is the main thing what we have to do. Followed by this, what we will do is we will give the connections like this, mostly in the form of a Y-like structures. If you give, that will do. So make it double everywhere wherever you are drawing. Okay, and then just finish it like that. Okay, so this basically would give you the picture of your nephron. So this is the diagram of the nephron. So quickly you can just give the labeling also. Okay, so what are the labels? So if you remember, this is the afferent arteriole. It is the afferent arteriole. So we have to remember that this diameter should be big enough. Then next we have is the glomerulus portion. This is the glomerulus. Okay, next we have is this is the Bowman's capsule. It is the Bowman's capsule what we have. Okay, and next we have is this structure which is the efferent arteriole. So this is the efferent arteriole. Okay, you write it as efferent arteriole. Then next, this is the PCT portion. Okay, that is the proximal convoluted tubule portion. This is followed by this is the DCT portion, the distal convoluted tubule portion. Okay, next we have is the you can write the peritubular capillary network. This is the peritubular capillary network. It is the peritubular capillary network. Followed by this, we have the last labeling, that is the loop of Henle. Okay, so this is the loop of Henle. Okay, so like this, we have finished with our diagram. You can just also write this one as the collecting tubule. Okay, so this is our collecting tubule. Okay, so this finishes the diagram within a jiffy. You can just finish the diagram within no time. So it is quite easy. So do comment and let me know, how easy you felt this diagram as.